Hey everyone. Welcome to part 16 of our Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll dive into list operations in Python. From adding, removing, and updating elements, to slicing and other advanced operations. This video has it all.
Mostly, I'll take the revision classes also for all the classes. Don't worry about revision part. I'll be taking revision part also. Okay. Everyone know what is list, right? What is list? Can anyone define what is list? What is list? Difference between list and array. Do you have any idea? You can ping in the chat so that I'll be knowing it. Like array size is fixed. Mm, mm, mm. It's like in Python, you're not giving any specific size for array actually. This thing you'll do in C language, but in Python you're not giving any specific size for array. Collection of elements, array only one data type. Yeah, can be stored multiple values in single value. Yeah, that is true. Okay, we can store multiple data types in list, but if we go to array, okay, we can store only similar data type. Okay, if you have same data type element, then you can store in that array, otherwise you cannot. Okay, if you take a number and a categorical value like a, b, or something categorical value, if you take, you can save this number in the list, sorry, array, but it will consider that number as a string actually, character. Even one can be considered as a character in that array. This you can observe when you take it. When we are dealing with array, you'll understand. Okay. And what is the use of taking this numeric Python? Okay. NumPy. Why? What is the use of this NumPy array? Okay. In data science, you'll understand while we are dealing with that. Okay. Chalo. In list, we'll be talking about objects are mutable. Okay. Why we call them as objects are mutable? Can anyone tell me? What do you mean by mutable? Objects are mutable in list, but why? What is mutable? Mutable in the sense like you can change the elements. Okay, you can add elements, you can delete elements, you can manipulate with the list. Okay, you can perform some operations with a list. But whereas if you take tuple, you cannot, like tuple is immutable actually. We'll discuss about it while we are dealing with that. Okay, and list index start from 0. Remember this part. List index start from 0. Always you need to remember this thing. And how to declare a list is simple. L is equal to in this way. Okay. If you print I, you'll get this way. Just this is a declaration of a empty list. This is a declaration of a empty list. It doesn't show any error if you're not giving any element also. Okay. Yeah. Next. See, I'll give some elements. If you want to assign some values, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And if you print this L, you'll get 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one more thing, while you are dealing with this all things, try to use notebook only. Okay, don't use some other online compilers. You may feel that we have that online compilers, we can execute this code in that. But get familiar with this Jupyter notebook. Get habituated. You need to get habituated with the Jupyter notebook. Always practice these programs also in Jupyter notebook. Why? Because you are trying to enter into data science field. Everything, mostly all the things will deal with this Jupyter notebook only. Okay. And in one of the session, I have shown you updated version also, like themes and all. I don't want to go with updated version. I want to use the basic version. Okay. Um, and if you check the data type, it will show list. Okay. When you are giving assigning multiple values, it will return list. In this way, you can assign values. Okay. Even you can declare an empty list this way. Here you are assigning some values and take how to take input from the keyboard. Any idea how to take input from the keyboard? There are many ways, like two ways I'll show you. Okay. Taking input from keyboard. Yeah, not directly input. For list element. Okay. I'm talking about list element. Taking input from the keyboard for a list element. You can use list comprehension or mapping method. See, for example, list of map of, okay, hint comma input dot split. In this way, you can in this way you can take elements like 3, 4, 8, 9, 7, 6 like this. Now just print this error. You'll get 3, 5, 8, 9, 6, 7. Okay, and you can use list comprehension too. Okay, I thought to explain this list comprehension while we are dealing with it, but one small example I'll give you. Okay, L2 is equal to we can take a hint of x. Okay, for I in input dot split. Okay, we are splitting the input and you are adding it. Okay, 5 comma 6 comma 9 comma 8 comma 7. You can add any element. Okay, it's showing some error x. Okay, here we need to take x. 5 comma 9 comma 8 comma 3 comma 7 comma 4. Okay, you can take any element, just showing you like different methods how to take inputs. Okay, how to add elements, like this is not only one way, you can add this also. Here both the things you are splitting actually. Here also you are splitting. You need to understand this logic, how we are splitting and adding into list. Okay, and if you use for like you need to use this frequently, you will understand how to take the input. Okay, practice with different examples. Don't assign values, take the input values from the keyboard and use it. Okay, next, here mostly we'll deal with these things like what are the list operations we'll deal actually. Okay, how you can manipulate list, how you can add elements, how you can delete elements. Okay, what you can do with list, I'll be explaining that part. Okay, um, if you take adding, what happened? Something is going, sorry, so many got deleted. Okay, here adding a element to the list. Can anyone tell me what you need to do to add a element to the list? What you need to do here? Just append. Okay, here we'll use append method. Okay, by using this you can add element. How you can add? See here, if you are taking L, you have 3, 5, 8, 9, 6, 7. I want to add some 30 like that. Okay, so L dot append of 30. See, if you print this list, you got this 30 here. Okay, by using this append function, you can add element into list. Okay, similarly, I want to add multiple elements like 56 comma 89. Will I be able to add multiple elements by using this append? Okay, is it possible? Like ping in the chat. Is it possible that I can add two numbers at a time? It's no, you cannot. Okay, if you want to do that part, you need to use extend. Okay, you need to use extend method. Okay, use extend method to add multiple elements. Clear? Extend in this, pass it as a single list instead of taking multiple list. Okay, in this way you can add elements. See, in this way, by using the extend method, you can add elements this way. Okay, if you want to insert value into a list on a given index, like if you want to add some element on a given index, how you will do it? How to insert into a given index? Insert value into a given index. How you will insert value? Can anyone tell me at what position you want to insert? Now this is list. Okay, this is list. So if you want to insert some value, what you'll take now? What you have insert function to add in a given position. Okay. This all list operations you need to remember, like how to take input. Okay, in this way, like what is list? Okay, it is lists are mutable, objects are mutable in list. Okay, and how to assign, how to declare a empty list. Then after that, how to take the input values from the keyboard. We have two methods by using mapping function and by using the list comprehension. Okay, if you want to add any elements, we use this append method. Okay, if you want to add multiple elements, only you're adding one element. If you want to add multiple elements, you'll use extender. Now I want to add element in a given index, like 3 comma 3000 I'll take. Okay, now see, at this 3 position, as I mentioned in the beginning, your index starts from 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. At 3 position, we are adding 3000. Okay, now how to pop an element? 3 position, we are adding 3000. Okay, now how to pop an element? What do you mean by pop? Can anyone tell me? Pop is nothing but delete the last element. Whatever it is, you are deleting the last element. Okay, you have this list element l dot pop. Okay, now see, 89 is popped out. But if you take this, you can see 89 is popped out here. Clear? It will pop the last element. Okay, delete the last element by using pop. Okay, if you want to delete from given index, so I'll show you something. Delete from the given index, or if you want any index, you can delete from the given index also. Like how you can do it. So I have added 3000, right? This is a element, sir. So I'll take list dot pop of 3. It needs to delete 3000 now. Okay. Why? Because you have 3000 at index 3. Okay. You can see at a given index also you can delete it. Okay. So this all list operations you need to remember. It will help you while you are doing some, if you are in BTech final year like that, it will help you if you follow this all things. Okay. Next, remove function. What is the use of this remove? Can anyone tell me what is the use of this remove function? Till now, we are going with the index values. Like maybe you are using this append, you are adding in the last, okay? Extend you are adding in the last. Based on the index value only you are adding them. Insert you are dealing with index value, okay? And pop you are deleting the last element. And pop if you want to delete you are giving some index value. Everything you are dealing with index value. Now I'll take the elements instead of index. I'll be using elements. Okay. List elements. What are list elements you have? On list elements, I'll perform some operations. Okay. That will be done by using remove function. Okay. Remove is nothing but you apply some operation on the list elements. Previously, whatever things we have done, everything are done with index values. Okay. And now we are dealing things how to deal with elements. Okay. List elements. Chalo, I'll show you. Yeah. I'll show you now. See, I want to delete this static. Previously, we are giving index, right? Now I'll give 30. Now see, are we getting this 30 now? Hmm? You can see you don't have 30, right? 30 got deleted. Check here and here. 30 got deleted now. Okay? With the help of these elements, like previously you're dealing with index, here you're dealing with elements. Okay? Based on these elements, I'm removing that 30. Clear? And similarly, you can remove any element. But what if you have some repeated elements? Okay. What if you have repeated elements? What you'll do? What if you have repeated elements? Like I'll add a L dot append some six. Okay. Again L dot append. I'll add six. Okay. And L dot append. I'll add six. Now print this L. Okay. Now I want to remove six. Will it going to remove all the six? Will it be able to remove all the six? Like all six elements, we have four, six, right? It is going to remove all the six? Yeah, obviously no. What it will do, we'll say. Okay. Now see, it will always remove the first element. Okay, which is repeating first based on the index. Okay. Now see, okay. If I run it, see. You're not getting this element here. Okay. After in between 9 and 7, you have 6 that got deleted. Okay. From the index based, you can remove an element. Okay. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'll come in a minute. 1 minute. Hello. Yeah. Let's continue. Yeah. Everyone can hear me, right? Yeah, chalo continue. Okay, got it right. It can remove only one element, and that if you have some repetition, it will delete the first repeating element. Okay, first repeating element. Just remember that thing. Okay. Next, same like strings, we have slicing concept. Everyone know what is slicing, right? What you'll do with this slicing. Everyone know it, right? What is slicing? Okay. In this, you'll have start, end, and step. By default, step is equal to 1. Okay. By default, step is equal to 1. Okay. Just remember this thing. By default, you have that step is equal to 1. Okay. And same negative index from the list element, you have negative index. Okay. It has both positive and negative index. You know what we have done in string, right? Similarly. Okay. Let's see. Okay. L of 0, L of minus 1. You'll get this way. Okay. Similarly, I can perform some operations like up to some minus 4 I want to take. Okay. You'll get this way. Okay. Up to minus 4. You can take anything. From minus 4 also you can take elements. From minus 4 to last element till last element you can take. Okay. It's however how you want to take, you can take that way. Okay. Similarly, L of some 3 to minus 4 you can take. Even you can give some step also. Like this 3 step as 3. You can give anything. If you can understand the syntax, no, you can give anything. Okay, these all are easy to understand. Just you need to remember all these things. Okay, how to manipulate the list? Like we have done same thing. We know how to manipulate the string, right? If you know, if you have understand how to deal with string, easily you'll manipulate list also. Okay, slicing part is same. Clear till here, everyone? Up to this slicing part. And we have some other things also in this list. I'll be explaining this all things. Reverse of a list element. How to take the reverse of a list element? You have a reverse of a list. Okay. Here you are applying this without using any function. Okay. How you can do it? The slicing I have shown you. String if you take s is equal to hello. Here I'll print that s of. Okay. You'll get this way. Similarly, you can take in the list also. Okay. Same thing you can perform to get the reverse of a list. Remember this logic, sir. Okay. Or else you have another thing called L dot reverse. This is function what you are using actually. You are converting actually. L dot reverse means. Okay. You are converting completely. Here you are just adding this way. Okay. Here you are completing completely. Reverse. Okay. Clear, right? By using this you can do it, or by using this you can do anything you can do. Okay. Next, when we come to maximum and minimum, this reverse is clear, right, everyone? You are getting it right. Either we can take this way or you can take this way. Okay. You can take anything. And maximum and minimum, maximum element and minimum. Okay. What is maximum of this list? What is maximum of this list element? It's 56, right? Okay, it's 56, right? How to take the maximum element now? Just take max of this list. It will give you 56. Similarly, you can take the minimum also. You can take minimum also. Okay, just take min of list. You'll get 3. Okay, I'll print you the list element. 1 minute. Here itself, I'll print you the list element. If I print, you can see 3 is the minimum element, right? So you're getting 3 as the minimum element. You need to remember this all list functions, list operators, whatever list functions you have, you need to remember them. Okay. And you can sort the elements in ascending order and descending order, same way. Okay. Sorting list elements. Okay. You know how to sort them, right? Ascending and descending. Okay. Ascending order. Okay. And descending order. Both you can take. First, let me show you ascending order. Okay. L dot symbol sort function you can use. If you see, you'll get this way. L dot sort. Similarly, you can use L of -1 after this to get the descending order. No, if you don't want to use this, okay, I'll show you some. This is for ascending order, right? Uh, Descending order, let me take another example instead of this. Some 7 comma 9 comma, sorry, in list, right? Okay, I'll use, I'll take input from the keyboard. List of map of hint comma input dot split. Okay, so I'll take 7 comma 9 comma 2 comma 7 comma 4 comma 5 so on. Okay, like some random values. Now see, if you take L2, what you'll get. Yeah, just here L2 dot sort, just reverse is equal to true. Now see what you'll get. Okay, after sorting, you are reversing the list element. It's nothing but here we are using reverse function, right? Previously, L dot reverse. By default, reverse will be false. You are making it true. That's it. Okay, you are getting this if you are doing that. Clear, right? This part. How to sort elements in ascending order and descending order. Next, clear, right, everyone? Ping in the chat, like, so that I'll be understanding whether you're understanding it or not. Some more things that you need to remember actually when you are dealing with this list. Yeah. You can use membership operators, identity operators. I have explained you this all membership operators, identity operators, all these things, right? You can use those operators here also. Okay. You can compare two lists, whether they are equal or not. You can compare. Okay. L1 is equal to L2. Like L, you have this. L2, you have this. Okay. L1 equal to. If I take L2, it will Q true. L2 equal to L2, it true Q. Okay, L2 equal to L1, it gives false. Okay, here what you are doing, comparing list to list, comparing two list elements. Okay, You are comparing two list elements. We are comparing this way. Okay, clear right till here. And membership operators, you have remember that membership operator, right? Membership operator. Okay, membership operator. What we'll do in membership operator? You do remember this membership operator, right? What we do in that membership operator. If you take three, uh, if you take L, okay, you have these elements. Uh, 3 and L, what this will give? It gives 3. True. Okay. You are checking whether 3 is present in this list or not. If I take 100 and L, you'll get false. Okay. Similarly, 100 not in L, it gives true. Okay. In not in. In not in is a membership operator. Okay. We will use this membership operators. There is so much of use with this membership operators. Remember this membership operator. Okay. In not in, you'll call it as membership operator. You need to remember this membership operators. These are important. Okay. And this way you compare both the list. Okay. Sorting techniques and different techniques, how you need to use. You need to remember this all things. All are very important. Okay. And you can also check whether L elements are present in L2. For example, this is L, right? I'll create some list with a 3 comma 5. Okay. If I take A in L, what it will give? It gives false. Why? Any reason? You need to have this both elements should be same. Okay, you're not iterating here. You're directly giving both the list. You're not especially give explicitly you are not giving one element. At a time you are giving multiple elements. Okay. If you are giving multiple elements, you need to pass the same elements. For example, if I take this A is equal to same, okay, A in L, still it is showing false. Seriously. Okay. Leave this one. Don't use this list part. Till here it's okay. Don't use that. Mostly you won't get any application of that. Okay. Don't use that. Getting some error. That part. Next. Clear right till here. Everything is clear. Everyone. You can also previously I have shown you something like if you want to take some range element, what is range? Range is a if you take a range of 10 comma 20, you'll get like this. Okay. But if you want elements like list of 10 comma 20, see what you'll get. Here use range again. Mostly for I in range we use that, right? Same. I mentioned that we'll use this list in upcoming things. Okay. And you know what are these things, right? And similarly, in range you have step also. While we are dealing with that, I explained you. While we are dealing with for loop, I have shown you that step part also. You can take step as 3. Okay. There is some issue with the kernel. I'll restart all. Whenever if you face some issue with the kernel, just restart all, or else open a new one actually. Seriously, basically I have restarted this thing. Fine. I need to change all the things now. Okay. Same. Give some element. Okay. Still Okay. Oh, it's not raising any error. Okay, clear, right? In this way, we can take a range elements. Anything you can take. Okay. And if you want only float elements, like these elements are normal, right? Like by using this, you can take a, or else you can take by using for loop also, as I mentioned, for I in range. Okay. Similarly, 10 comma 20 comma 3. Same thing I want to show you once. You know how to declare an empty list, right? How to declare an empty list? Like this, A is equal to. I have shown you in the beginning. Okay. So A dot append to add the elements, right? A dot append is to add the elements. Okay. I'll add them. Now see, if you print A, you get the same elements. Okay. I'm declaring a list, I'm adding elements. Both are same. Okay. By using range, I'm adding elements, or else by using this, you can add up. Okay. List of range, not only list of range. Okay. It's an iterator. Okay. You can take sets, all the things. And it is also called as generator also. If someone asks you in an interview, what is generator function? Okay, you need to answer them. What is generator means you can give an example of this range. Okay, clear right till here, everything. Got it, right? And list comprehension and all. You're getting it, right? So, if you want to take some even elements and odd elements, previously we have done one program. Even elements and on odd elements, how to add. We have done it, right? Similarly, even you can use by using this. Okay, even and odd elements. There you are printing it, but we'll add in list here. Okay, even list. I'll I'll declare one even list. Similarly, odd list. I'm just showing you this just because in future, if you are attending any programming test, this sort of skills will help you. Okay. All these skills are very important while you are handling with list. In upcoming sections, I'm recording this, right? Okay. In upcoming sessions, we have some inbuilt methods also. I'll be explaining about some inbuilt methods also. In that, you'll be dealing with all inbuilt methods that helps you to develop your logical skill and programming skill too. Keep on practicing whatever I'm teaching you here, na? Keep on practicing them. Okay. In short, everything will be clear and I'll be covering all the topics. Maybe here I'm not taking more examples, okay? But I'm trying to cover all the topics. Follow them. If you're not understanding it, you need to take multiple examples and practice. If you're not getting anything, ping me. I'll help you if you're not getting anything. Okay? Till now you got it right. Append, extend, insert function, pop, delete at a given index, remove function. Okay, slicing concept when you're dealing with slicing. When you take reverse, what all different things you have in reverse, maximum, minimum. Okay, while you're sorting, ascending and descending. Okay, how to use this membership operators. And now taking this range, generator, how to take this generator. And now coming to even and list, even list and odd list elements. Okay, now see, I'll use this range function. For I in range, 1 to 30 elements I'll take. Okay. 15 elements in even and 50 in order. Here, what will be the condition? Can anyone tell me the condition in chat? What condition I need to take? If condition, tell me. What is the condition for even elements? Can anyone tell me? Type it in chat. Yeah, I modulus 2 equal to 0. That's true. Okay. Here, I modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then we'll add it in even list. Okay. Leave a even list dot append of I. Just showing you a small coding part. Okay. And next odd list. Odd list dot if it is not divisible by 2, then obviously it is a odd element, right? Okay. Just run this. Now print. You can print even elements are okay. What you can take here? Even list, right? I can use format function. Okay, I'll tell you what is this. We have the same format. Might be we can get it. Fine. It's in a different format. We need to take this way. Okay, got it right. Similarly, you can take. Sorry. Similarly, you can take odd elements too. Okay, you can differentiate this way. Odd list. Clear? In this way, you can do programming part. Okay, up to 30 minutes you can take plus one also. Okay, or else 31 I'll take instead of that. This will be the better. Okay, got it right. How to take this even and odd elements? Everything is clear, right? Up to this list. You got it.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these list operations. Stay tuned for part 17. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sklassics Technologies.